In this video today, you're going to be able to witness with your own two eyes a Clickbank account go from absolutely zero to over $1,000. And the best part about all of this is it was done with all free traffic. We're starting right now. What's up guys, my name is John, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, welcome. On this channel we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if that is something that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel and make sure you click the notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now guys, in this video today, I'm actually going to be sharing a case study with you from a subscriber of mine here on this channel, Christian Morfaw. Now he's currently actually doing a 90-day challenge, a Clickbank 90-day challenge as we speak, but he's already earned over $1,000 in Clickbank commissions. So I'm going to actually let him explain to you exactly what he's doing and how he earned these commissions using all 100% free traffic, and then I'm going to come back with some final thoughts. So I want to introduce you to Christian Morfaw.
Hey there, how's it going? My name is Christian Morfaw. I'm a buddy of John McNeil's, and I made this video for you guys that are followers and subscribers of John. Essentially in the video I'm going to be detailing an experiment slash case study that I'm in the middle of right now, and in essence it was a 90-day challenge to kind of make as many commissions as I could on Clickbank. Okay, as you can see right now, I am logged into my Clickbank account. This is my dashboard, and thus far I have made a little over $1,000. Okay, and I am, let's see, I'm about 71 days into the challenge. So I started this on March the 1st. Okay, March the 1st is when I started, and the whole premise, okay, of the experiment, like the core experiment, was basically to go for 90 days promoting one Clickbank product, okay, on 2 different YouTube channels. Okay, so I created 2 YouTube channels, one in which I was showing my face, one in which I wasn't showing my face. Okay, and I was uploading videos, one video every single day to each channel, and promoting, you know, I was direct linking from those videos to the one Clickbank product that I've been promoting from the beginning of the experiment. So that's the core of it. And then on the side I had these other little peripheral, little tiny teeny things I was trying left and right, little experiments, still towards, you know, making sales with Clickbank, promoting a bunch of other products. Okay, and that's where, so as I started March 1st, it was basically, I went all the way to day 54 before I made that first sale. That's what this $16.75 that you're looking at right now is. Oh, by the way, before I proceed, let me just go ahead, and because I know there's always a naysayer, sometimes people think this stuff is fake, and I know it is very easy to fake Clickbank results on you know, with this especially with Chrome, with that inspect element feature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh the page just a couple times. So as you can see, that if this were fake, it would reset all the way back to 0. So I'll just do that one more time. Do that, and the other thing I'll do is I'll scroll down towards the bottom as well. See where it says vendor and affiliate. I'm under vendor right now, and everything's showing 0. And that's because I made these sales as an affiliate. So I'm going to click over to affiliate, and you can see that now. You can see there's a total of like $2,000, a little bit over $2,000 in sales. But that's what I made in total sales. What I get to keep, okay, as an affiliate is a fraction of that, and that's what you see up here. So these numbers up here is what I get to keep. Okay, all right, so now that we got that out of the way, let me continue with what I was talking about. So I had the 2 channels and uploading videos every single day. The first commission that I made was on it took me 54 days to get that first sale, and that was this $16.75, which is, as you can see, has dropped out. You know, has dropped out of the dashboard right there, where you have the bars essentially. And that sale came about as I was trying some stuff for promoting some stuff on Quora. So I was answering questions on Quora, and that's where that first sale came. And then the next sale incidentally came on day 64. I don't know, I seem to be getting the sales every 10 days or something, but the first one was day 54, and then day 64 was where the second sale came, and that's what you see here, this 350 139. And then the next sale started coming in on May 5th, and since then, for that, where I did over 686 in one day, and ever since I haven't made any sales. But that sale of the 5th, that was the one I'd been waiting for, the sales on the 5th for the most part, because those were the fruits of the labor of uploading those videos every single day. Okay. And it was kind of hard, just because, considering the method I was going about, given that these are, like high ticket products as well. They're not the easiest things to sell. But that's where those commissions came from. So when I first started, okay, I wasn't collecting any leads. I was just direct linking. So if I go to the dashboard, you'll see here, if you, not the dashboard, my reporting section, you'll see here the graph. This is my graph of, like hops. These are the clicks that I was getting to the products that I've been promoting. Again, these are, in Clickbank, they call them hops. I don't, for whatever reason, I don't know. But as you can see, it was pretty, I won't call it steady, just up and down, up and down, up and down. And then around the 9th of April, I decided to stop direct linking and collecting leads. Okay, and that's why you've got this huge drop around here. Okay, that was around the 9th. Okay, I decided to start collecting leads, and then following up, building my list, and then following up with the subscribers. And that's where you see now the hop count started jumping, climbing up again gradually as I continue creating more videos and sending them to my squeeze page. And then here was just kind of up and down, just because there were times where I was like updating some stuff on my websites as well, so that caused um, a lot of those clicks were me testing a bunch of stuff, and that's where you got that big spike over here. That big spike actually was I want to call it some spam links, clicks that were coming from Thailand for whatever reason. I don't know what it was, but I decided to put a page in between. Instead of direct linking there for that particular product I was promoting, I decided to put a page in between, and that kind of evened things out. So I'm back to kind of on an upward trend again, but that's where we're at. Before I started, here is my Aweber account. I was at 399 subscribers, and ever since then I'm up to 505 since April 9th. So in about a month I've picked up about roughly 106 subscribers, and these are 100% free subscribers. All this was done using paid free traffic, completely free traffic. I didn't use any paid traffic at all. This is all from YouTube videos. Okay, this was from YouTube videos. That's what I was using to drive my traffic, and then these were the results. And if I scroll down, you'll see here, you'll see all the, like, and this is part of the problem. Okay, one of the things that a lot of beginners face when they get started, this is kind of the mess I made, right? I was promoting, I mean, I'm not a beginner by any stretch, so I don't want to be misleading in that way, but all these clicks that I have are, you can see I have a total of 1,141 clicks, and you would think I'd have a lot more sales there, but that's not actually the case, because I've got these clicks spread out over a bunch of different products. And one of the things that I kind of do on this, is search engine optimization. So I've got a bunch of sites out there in different niches, and so a lot of these clicks are like kind of passive, like things that I'd started and not finished, started and stopped, but that's the one thing I like about search engine optimization. The sites are out there and the clicks just keep on coming passively. But as far as like the core experiment, that's what you see here. These 757 clicks, those are from like the product that I was promoting. You can see that's where that sale happened. And then the other one, I only got 37 clicks there, and that's where one of the other sales happened. And this graph, by the way, is from Actually, there's two sales there. Okay, this graph, by the way, is from that period, that the time frame from March 1st all the way up until now. So that's pretty much what was going on there. But hey, it's just a matter of just going out there and doing the work. I'm not gonna lie, it's been kind of tedious, kind of difficult, trying to uploading these videos every single day to two different channels. So given that this is what, like around day 71 or so, this essentially means I've got a total of 140 videos promoting that one product. And uh, over time, as some of these videos start getting a little traction, I should start seeing even more clicks. So definitely looking forward to seeing what happens in the near future. I want to say in the next month, or actually the next couple months, to see if YouTube starts sending me a little more traffic. Because bear in mind, these two channels, two separate channels that I created, were brand new channels. Okay, so it's taken a while for traffic to really start coming in. So all right, I hope you found that, I hope you found that somewhat useful, and gives you some insight into what you can expect if you decide to try to start doing something similar. But thanks for taking the time to watch, and I will catch you in some of my other videos in the future. I'm on YouTube, so hopefully you might catch some of my other videos. All right, ciao.
Now guys, I don't know about you, but I think it's absolutely phenomenal that Christian generated over $1,000 in under 90 days in his Clickbank challenge. Now the reason why I really wanted to share this video with you and this case study with you is because I wanted to let you know what it takes to actually make money online and what actually happens when you put in the hard work. Now, I've been following Christian's 90-day journey, and I can tell you day after day after day, it was glim sometimes, right? He kept putting up these videos. I could tell that he wanted to quit, but he kept going and he kept going and he kept going. And now he's seeing the fruits of his labor. And I really wanted to share this information with you. And I asked him, could I share this case study with you guys? Because I wanted to show you that it is possible. It definitely is possible if you put in the work. Yes, you're going to have to work hard. He had to put in videos, and he put in work, and he put in effort, and it didn't look like anything was paying off, but now it is. He generated over $1,000 with free traffic, guys, and it's going to continue, and he's going to continue making more and more sales, and you're no different. Anybody can do this if they put in the work, if they put in the effort, and they stay consistent. So this is all I have for today. I didn't want to make this video too long. I just really want to share this information with you guys, just to kind of give you some motivation and some hope that it is very possible to start from scratch and start making Clickbank commissions or any affiliate commissions online if you're willing to put in the work. So I will leave Christian's YouTube channel in the description of this video. So if you guys want to actually follow the rest of his channel and just start from the beginning, he starts from day 1, and I think he's somewhere in like day 70 something now. So you can actually catch up with his challenge now and see what he's doing, as he completes his 90 days, and just follow him in general, because you can see that he's working hard, he's putting in the effort, and he's actually sharing all this information willingly with anybody that's following him on his channel. So you guys can go ahead and check Christian out. Again, I'll leave his link in the description. So that's all I have for today, guys. This is John from johnmcneil.com. Get to work. If you have any questions, if you have any comments about this challenge or this case study that Christian's doing, go ahead and leave it in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer everything for you guys. Peace.